Hi guys, in this video we will see how to hide a spelling and grammar errors on your OneNote app. You can easily enable or disable, you can hide or unhide grammar error or a spelling error in OneNote app. Launch OneNote app in your system first. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote in your Windows 11 and 10 system. OneNote app is now open. Here from the top left corner, click on File option. Thereafter, click on More. Here choose Options. Thereafter, from the left side of menu, click on Proofing. Thereafter, go to right side and here scroll down and you will find check a spelling on your type, hide a spelling and grammar error. Simply, if you want to hide a spelling and grammar error, then make the check against this option, and if you want to unhide or show, then uncheck this option. That's all.